Well, I find the Pak NGO website, and I would say the Pak NGO initiatives, very interesting, because I think, in my view, it really addressed a local vacuum. For example, since Pak NGO is here, I don't have to do so much, so many research for the funding opportunities. It comes to me directly. That's much easier. That means I don't spend time on other forums I used to go where I had to pay a premium fee or whatever. So that's the first advantage, but also I find them very well informed, and I think it's a very good platform also for coordination. Their subscription is quite wide, so I personally like to advertise potential recruitment opportunities on Pak NGOs as well, and I think the way they have addressed that vacuum and contextualized and localized it, I think I would encourage them to make a case study. I think this model needs to be studied, and it would be interesting to see how we could further capitalize on it. Maybe it could help with better coordination among civil society or among state actors and civil society, about maybe some resource platform also. I don't know, but I think there is a strong potential, and it truly illustrates the Pakistani the Pakistani youth creativity as well. So yeah, congratulations, and we needed you, and I'm sure you can do more, and we'll be there to encourage you. Thank you.